Welcome to Part 5 of Transportation Vocabulary. 41. Drive. Meaning, to control and operate a vehicle. Example: My father drives to work every day. Synonyms: operate. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. 42. Ride. Meaning, to travel on or control a bicycle, motorcycle, or animal. Example: She rides her bicycle to school. Synonyms: travel, go. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. 43. Travel. Meaning, to go from one place to another. Example: We love to travel together. Synonyms: journey, go. Antonyms: stay. 44. Trip. Meaning, a journey to a place and back again. Example: Our trip was exciting. Synonyms: journey, excursion. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. 45. Journey. Meaning, the act of traveling from one place to another. Example: The journey took 5 hours. Synonyms: trip, travel. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. 46. Speed. Meaning, how fast something moves. Example: The car was moving at a high speed. Synonyms: velocity, pace. Antonyms: slowness. 47. Brake. Meaning, a device used to slow down or stop a vehicle. Example: Press the brake carefully. Synonyms: brake pedal. Antonyms: accelerator. 48. Seat belt. Meaning, a safety belt worn in a vehicle. Example: Please fasten your seat belt. Synonyms: safety belt. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. 49. Direction. Meaning, the way or course to a place. Example: Can you show me the direction to the station? Synonyms: way, route. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. 50. Map. Meaning, a drawing that shows places and roads. Example: We used a map to find the hotel. Synonyms: chart. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. Congratulations! You have completed the Transportation Vocabulary course. Keep practicing every day to improve your English. Subscribe to Avetra EDU for more English lessons. See you in the next course.